Finally, let's just find the inverse of this rational function. We do this the same way we've done all the rest of them. Switch x and y. So now we have a couple of y's involved, and the goal is to solve for y. So what we need to do is get this fraction out of the way. So let's multiply both sides by that common denominator. When I multiply the left side, I get x times y minus 2. And when I multiply the right side, those go away. So I'm left with y plus 3. I still have y's on both sides. So what I need to do is get this y out of the parentheses. So I have xy minus 2x equals y plus 3. Keep in mind what your goal is. Your goal is solving for y. If you have y's on both sides, you somehow need to get the y's on the same side. So what I'm going to do is subtract this y and get this 2x away from there because it doesn't have a y. So these are both 0. I get xy minus y is equal to 2x plus 3, or 3 plus 2x. Really doesn't matter which way you write it. Now both of these terms have a y. Can I factor that out? If I factor a y out of xy, I'm left with x. If I factor a y out of y, I'm left with a minus 1. Now I need to get y by itself, so I divide both sides by x minus 1. That's reducing to 1, and I get y equals all this stuff. Well, that's my inverse. Once I solve for y, I now have my inverse function.